Hey, bienvenue la classe. This is Technique with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Now, this is variation B of exercise number 2. So we're going to be starting off the same way here with our dégagé, coupé, and plié. Same difficulty level, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult in the sequence and about twice as long. We're going to start the same way here with our plié, dégagé, coupé, dégagé, plié, dégagé, plié, dégagé, plié, en croix, à la seconde, derrière. Once we get back to à la seconde, we'll take a double dégagé, 1, 2, avant, 1, 2, à la seconde, 1, 2, and derrière, 1, 2. So en croix there. From there, single dégagé, en croix, 1, 2, 3, 4, to finish off with another double dégagé, 1, 2, 1, 2, finishing in the back, to then repeat the entire thing from derrière in that same leg. Derrière, à la seconde, avant. Once you get back to à la seconde, again, double, 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 single, 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 to then close, boom, to then take the entire thing to derrière on the other side. En croix, double, double, single, 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 avant, other side, boom, avant, second, derrière, boom, 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 double, double, single, 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 to then finish right back where we started here.